Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Malabar Paratha. We can make homemade parathas better than restaurant. All purpose flour 2 cups. Semolina 2 tablespoon fine powder. Salt as per taste. Sugar 1 tablespoon. Oil 2 tablespoon. 3/4 cup water. Knead the dough. Oil 2 tablespoon. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. Soft dough is ready. Rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take small size balls. Oil 1/4 cup. Soak the dough in oil for 1 hour. After 1 hour, soft dough is ready. Super soft dough. Flatten gently. Roll gently. Turn around. Spread, pull gently. Roll thinly. Now cut in strips. Bring together. Roll spirally. Spiral dough is ready. Take the spiral dough. Flatten slightly. Roll gently. Ready to cook. Hot tawa on medium heat. Flip over. Add 1/2 tablespoon of oil. Press and cook. Crush slightly before serving. Yummy, tasty Malabar Paratha is ready to eat. So soft. Better like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.